Okay, so a couple days ago, I lost my YouTube channel, and I kind of just wanted to talk a little bit about like how hard it is to just start up a new channel and how I'm feeling after I lost that channel in the first place. So basically, how I'm feeling now that I lost the channel, it's the reason why it's so hard to like start over is because like all I'm thinking about is like, man, I literally just lost like I think I was on that account for like 4, 5 months, and it's just like I had it for that long. I put a lot of effort and time into that, and all of it is just completely gone. So all I'm thinking about is like, man, I really just lost all of that time and effort, and like all the people that have like subscribed to my channel and just like enjoy watching the content that I made. And it's basically just like taking up all my thoughts, and it's like kind of hard to like think about new videos to make. So I was posting all these like videos, and they were getting, like some views. I don't really care too much about the views, because like I just want to know that someone out there is watching my video and enjoys it. That's kind of like the whole point of my videos. Like if it's like there's no point to post a video if it gets 0 views on every single video. And that's kind of how I feel like is gonna happen with this channel. Like I don't know, I could be completely wrong, but I just feel like with this channel, every video is gonna get like 10 to 0 views for some reason. But that's probably like hopefully that's not gonna happen. But either way, I just want to know that there are some people out there who are gonna watch my content and enjoy it. And all the comments that I was getting on the videos too, like it's just annoying because like all those people who did enjoy it, they don't know that I accidentally deleted that account, and then I have a new account, and they enjoyed watching my content, and they don't know like where I went. Like I feel like I don't know what to think about that. Like because they it seemed like they enjoyed watching the content. I mean, they were leaving a bunch of positive comments, and it's just annoying that I can't like tell them like I accidentally deleted this account, and I have a new account now. Like I feel bad for those people, I guess. But either way, like it's kind of just also like a motivational thing where it's like hard for me to like you know continue, because all the videos that I put a lot of time and effort into thinking about, like obviously the videos are super short, but I put a lot of thought into them at the very least. Like it takes like it's not easy to just come up with an idea and then just start talking about it. Sometimes it is, but it's I still have to think about what I'm gonna say. I don't want to just say like the most random stuff. I want to make it seem like I know what I'm talking about. But yeah, no, I have to like really think about it, and it's annoying to know that these people don't know what happened, and I can't say anything because the account's gone, like it's just unfortunate. So that's like another like thing that's stuck in my mind and why it's so hard to continue. But with that being said, I'm going to continue, what no matter what. Like I don't care that I lost everything, because I know in the back of my mind that if I'm just consistent and like I actually just keep trying the same like putting in the same amount of effort that I was putting then as I am now, I know that I'll naturally grow, hopefully. And so there's not like I'm not gonna stop, basically. So I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep posting. But yeah, that's kind of all I really wanted to talk about. So thank you for watching.